Feel uninvited.
The crypto investments are good, but if you can create your own exchange wallet or any P2P lending platform, then no need to worry either market is going up or down. You will make money. You can share your own idea and Krypton and Studio will turn your fantasy into reality. Krypton Studio have been specializing in the development of blockchains since 2015 and helping number of entrepreneurs to take a start, and at this time number of known companies are under the banner of Krypton Studio. First of all, if you want to contact the Krypton and Studio, simply you can click over here on the icon contacts, and here you can see all the options, especially the phone number, and secondly the address, and the third one is email. You can directly mail them the Krypton Studio and the team will definitely reply you. Secondly, you can talk with them on the Skype, and also you can message them directly on the Telegram, and the team is there for you and they are definitely going to ask each and everything from you, and they will understand your idea and will help you in any type of making of the coins, your blockchain explorer, any type of decentralized exchange. These all type of services at this time Krypton Studio is offering. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. Now I will elaborate the main things regarding the Krypton Studio. First of all, if you want to know something more, that what type of companies are under the banner of the Krypton Studio, so simply you can click over here on the portfolio icon. When you are going to click over here you can see all the options. First of all, the decimal. Basically here you can see the decimal. What is decimal all about? Decimal is a blockchain. The main features are simplicity and speed of custom coin creation. Here you can see create your coin on decimal within 3 minutes. So it is a website where you can create your own coin. So it's a very big thing, and simply you can also make your own coin with the help of the decimal platform decimalchain.com, and this main platform was under the banner of Krypton Studio. Here you can see it by yourself. Secondly is the Spaceboat. Spaceboat Reward is an Android application designed for investments and incomes from the ownership and paramining of the Prism cryptocurrency. Now the third one thing is FinValex. Here you can see the FinValex. What is FinValex all about? FinValex is a P2P platform for secured and unsecured lending. If you want to create any type of lending platform, so at this time they are offering you multiple facilities, and as I told you that I will share the link in the description of Krypton Studio, so you can directly message them and the team is okay, and the team will definitely answer you each and every type of queries of yours. Here you can see the lending platform. It's basically the lending platform, and it's the best lending platform as per my own knowledge. And here you can also see the mobile applications and all. It is basically the FinValex. Now come towards the next one, that is basically the Binam. Binam is a social trading platform that allows the private traders to copy trades of successful traders on popular cryptocurrency exchanges. For example, if anyone is earning good money in any type of trades, then Binam is helping them invest in best crypto traders. So the Binam will help you to understand about the strategy, what the best traders are doing at this time. Now we can come towards the next one, Capital House. Capital House simplifies the trading of securities and makes it more flexible and secure for all parties, investors, brokers and issuers. Now now we are going to move towards the best exchanges, especially the decentralized exchanges. If you want to create your own decentralized exchange, then the Krypton Studio will help you, and you can make your own decentralized exchange like IDEX, or even you can create your own exchange like the Uniswap.info exchange. It's very simple for them, and the best part of the Krypton Studio is this: it is not like this that they are going to just to make a new platform for you. They are going to help you to stand that one platform for you. It's entirely very good, and the services are entirely best. And as I am telling you again and again, I will share the link in the description, so if you are going with my link, definitely you will get some good discount. Now the next one, a new bank built on its own blockchain. The project is at its stage, you can say, in the searching for the investments to achieve its goals. Now here you can see, for example, I am going to show you each and everything. Spaceport Reward, as I told you. FinValex is a P2P platform. Binam, now the Capital House. Now the next one is DAO Play Market. It's the same platform like the Google Play. Here you can see that the DAO Play Market 2 is a decentralized replica of the Google Play. Now D8X, as I told you, that you can make your own decentralized exchange for the Ethereum ERC20 and also for the ERC223 tokens. Now the HeadPay, what is HeadPay? We all knew about the HeadPay. It is a huge project at this time. HeadPay crypto services based on blockchain and traditional opportunities with fiat funds are available. Now about the mobile application, because as we all know, one thing nowadays, people are loving one thing, to hold their own crypto coins, their tokens, in personal mobile Android wallet. So you can make your own mobile wallet with the help of Krypton Studio. So a mobile application to increase personal motivation in sports, okay, you can say planning and monitoring the physical activity of the users. Now the cryptocurrency payment gateway Pay2Bit. Here I am going to show you a best thing about Pay2Bit. It's a great thing. Basically, cryptocurrency payment gateway Pay2Bit is a software interface that automates the movement of cryptocurrency funds of an application platform store currency exchanger. The gateway is used as the core technology for a wide range of application. Now these all services are available on the Krypton Studio, and as I tell you that it's entirely very easy. I will share the link, and simply you have to do one thing. You have to you have to click on the contacts and then directly message them, and the team will definitely answer each and every question of yours. As we all knew about one thing about the exchanges, that they will make number of money, plenty of money, only with transactions. So now if you are going to create your own exchange, definitely you will make some good money. No need to worry about the market, that market is going down, up. It's not an issue for you. And secondly, if you are going to make your own mobile app, then definitely you will make plenty of money every day. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, and if you have any type of questions regarding this platform Krypton Studio, feel free to ask me, or even you can message the team directly, and the team will available for you 24/7. Thank you.